name is Gregorius Maestro, but you can call me Maestro. I'm from Indonesia, and my project is about learning number. I made this project because I want to help my little brother to learn about number. He is 3 years old now. My difficult from this project is I put the block in so many sprites. I have to shoot so many pictures for this project. I always work it every day, but I love it. If I have more time, I will make some questions about numbers, so it will be a nice exercise. Now, let's see my project. Hi children, let's learn about numbers. 1. A guitar. 2 cherries. 3 bananas. 4 donuts. 5 pencils. 6 cars. 7 flowers. 8 cakes. 9 watermelons. 10 fishes. Thank you for watching. Is it nice? I hope you like and enjoy my video. Goodbye!